Law number 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Core statement. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. What this law means: friends can become dangerous when given power, responsibility, or opportunity. Why? Because friendship creates expectations, emotional entitlement, jealousy, carelessness. An enemy, on the other hand, knows they must prove loyalty, acts cautiously, works harder to earn trust, is more predictable in their ambition. This law warns that emotional closeness can blind judgment, while controlled distance creates clarity. The psychology behind the law. Friends often feel, "I deserve this because we're close. I don't need to try hard. They won't mind if I slack." Enemies feel watched, evaluated, replaceable, so they perform better. Familiarity breeds complacency. Distance creates discipline. What happens if you break this law? Putting blind trust in friends can lead to betrayal, leaked secrets, power struggles, disrespect, emotional manipulation. Most betrayals come not from strangers, but from insiders. How to practice this law ethically? 1. Separate emotion from power. Friendship does not equal responsibility. Trust must be earned, not assumed. 2. Use enemies strategically. Give them limited roles. Watch performance. Reward loyalty gradually. A former enemy who becomes loyal is often more dependable than a friend who feels entitled. 3. Test before trust. Never give full information, full access, full authority, until loyalty is proven over time. Historical example: Michael III and Basil I, Byzantine Empire. Michael trusted his close friend Basil and gave him power. Basil eventually betrayed and murdered him to take the throne. Friendship created access. Access created downfall. Modern example: in a workplace, a boss promotes a close friend. Friend becomes careless or jealous, starts undermining authority. Meanwhile, a former rival works harder, stays disciplined, proves loyalty. Result: the enemy becomes valuable, the friend becomes a risk. Important warning: this law does not mean hate friends, be cruel or heartless, trust no one. It means do not confuse emotional bonds with professional reliability. When this law does not apply: when a friend has proven loyalty over many years, when stakes are low, when power imbalance doesn't exist. Even then, stay observant. Key takeaway: friends may betray you out of emotion. Enemies may serve you out of interest. Power rewards clarity, not sentiment.